Hey guys, Akshay here from Gadget Diary, and in this video we're going to talk about top 5 best multiplayer games that you can play on Android platform, which are like PUBG Mobile. That is, you get the battle royale option in these games where you battle it out with other players across the world. Now, if you don't know about PUBG Mobile, this was one of the biggest hits of 2018 both on Android and iOS platform. In this game, you land on an island and then you battle your way to be the last survivor. You can play single, you can play duo, or you can play squad mode where you team up with 3 more players, thereby making a squad of 4, and the last squad standing wins the game. This is a very addictive and a very interesting game. There are 5 more games which are like PUBG Mobile, and if you haven't downloaded PUBG Mobile, go try that out first, then you can check out the other 5 games that you can find similar to PUBG Mobile. The first game is Fortnite. Now unfortunately Fortnite is still not available on Play Store. They have developed their own installer and you can download that from their website fortnite.com/android. It is available for a limited device. It is not as optimized as PUBG Mobile, and at the same time we felt it is more hard due to the construction and the build mechanisms that it involves. You have to fire your gun, but at the same time you have the option to build various structures in order to protect yourself. You can build forts, you can build buildings, and you can hide in those forts and buildings, thereby protecting yourself from direct line of fire. This is a great interesting game, and the PC version is basically more popular than PUBG PC, but the mobile version still needs some optimization. But if you haven't tried this game out, go try it out. It's a free game that you can play on Android platform. Our next game is PUBG. I know you must be confused. It's actually Pixels Unknown Battlegrounds. Sounds similar to the main PUBG game, but this is a pixel style retro visual game that you can find on Android, and it has the same battle royale fights. Now you need to be the last in the block city where you are a block and other block figures are there which are your enemies. You need to kill them using the guns, which are also again pixel guns, and you should be the last one to survive. Now this is not a very heavy or graphic intensive game. This is basically a pixel style graphic game, and it is still under development. It has some hiccups, it has some lag and jitter here and there, but this is an interesting game and you will like this game if you love pixel style visuals. If not, then let's move on to our third game, which is Rules of Survival. Now if you have played PUBG Mobile, then Rules of Survival is very similar to PUBG Mobile. This is a battle royale mode where you drop on a 8 by 8 kilometer island, but here you drop with up to 120 other players. Yes, it has more players than PUBG Mobile. Again, the main objective is to last the longest, that is you have to be the sole survivor in the end. You get a lot of players on this game because it has more than 100 million downloads. It's not as popular as PUBG Mobile and Fortnite when it comes to daily active users, but still the game experience was nice. It has decent graphics and it gives you that same battle royale feel that you get in PUBG Mobile. If you're someone who doesn't like to fight a lot of people, then Pixel Unknown Battleground was one of the games which you could play because there were less players usually in the matchmaking. The other one is Free Fire. Now here you get up to 49 other users, that is a total 50 users drop on an island, and it is just a 10-minute game where you need to survive till the end. Now the game is again similar to PUBG Mobile. The graphics are not as good as PUBG Mobile or Fortnite, but you can still play in a 4-man squad and you can do the voice chat with those players. The game is smooth and it works well, and if you don't like to battle with 100 people and want to reduce it to 50, then you can obviously try out Free Fire game. Our last game is Knives Out. This is again a game like PUBG, as this is the top 5 list where we are just listing the games which are similar to PUBG, where you get the battle royale mode. Now the unique thing about this game is the unique locations. You get train tunnels in this map, you get snow-capped mountains, you have a lot of different variety of locations on the game. Now again, you need to survive till the end. You must be the last person standing so that you can win the game. The graphics are nice. It has around 10 million current installs, which makes it like a less popular game when compared to the other games, so you might get less players in the matchmaking. But again, the game is something that you can try out if you want to test the battle royale games other than PUBG. So these were the top 5 best battle royale games available on Android, which you can test out. These are multiplayer games, so you don't need active internet connection, and these are very similar to PUBG Mobile. So if you have played those games, you can get started with these games in no time. Do let us know which is your favorite game, or is PUBG still the best game out there among all of these games. If you have tried any other battle royale game, do let us know by leaving a comment below. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more such videos, and thanks for watching.